pristine cove is home to a small, self-sufficient neighbourhood. But after a powerful storm, the beach is ravaged. A mess of washed up plastic, tyres and filth is left behind on the shore. A crab, heartbroken by the scale of devastation, accepts the brutal reality that overwhelming crisis is too much for the immediate residents to manage. They enlist the help of a wider community. From near and far, many volunteer. Each creature, driven by a common purpose, lends its unique skills to the cleanup. By uniting to restore the beach back to its natural beauty, they can finally all relax with new friends and soak up the sense of achievement. Collective action. How could you make the impossible possible?